Hey guys, here's my submission for the Eurobricks contest. So please go vote for it if you like these models. I've built a track dumper and a skid steer. I'll show you later that they're both under 300 grams, which was quite a challenge, especially with this one. They both have a fake engine. This one has a fake engine here under this small hood. When I roll the tracks, the fake engine turns. And there's this 2-speed gearbox here connected to this lever in the cabin. For the other functions, here is a tipping mechanism. It's pretty simple. It's just a axle that runs through it and then pushes this lift arm, and that makes it tip. Something else is this turning mechanism for the dump body. You can turn it 90 degrees to each side using a worm gear. The main challenge for this one was to optimize the weight, because when I built this I didn't have the tracks. They were in another model from the previous video, so I couldn't use them to build. So I built the entire model, and when I thought I was finished, the model was 330 grams without the tracks. So then, still without the tracks, I got it back down to 300 again. Then I finally added the tracks. I realized I had to shave off another 25 grams or so. And eventually I managed to do that by meticulously optimizing every part. And I basically did that for every possible part in this model. As you can see, it is just light enough to pass. So here's the skid steer, which is the second model. It's based on a Bobcat TC30. They are both built in 1:21 scale, by the way. This one has 3 main functions. The most obvious one is the dumping. The arm goes up when you turn this knob on the back. Then a very special one for this kind of scale is a fake engine once again. If we take a look here, I don't know if you can see it with the camera. You can see the crankshaft at least. That is directly driven by both tracks. And you can see the moving pieces in there. So yeah, that's how I managed to do a fake engine that's just 4 studs wide. And then there's the tipping function on the buckets. I believe that were the 3 functions of this model. And I also designed it originally with a pair of forks, which you can use instead of the bucket. So you just pull this apart. And I think these models work really well together, especially with the bucket. So yeah, I think it's a pretty cool model. If you think the same, please go vote on it on the Eurobricks contest.